Kanchipuram, popularly known as the city of 1,000 temples, has been a center of learning and sustainability for over 2,000 years. Kanchipuram is famous for its stunning architecture, world-renowned silk weaving, and ancient water management systems. It stands as a living example of how economic growth can coexist with culture and care for the environment. This philosophy isn't just rooted in its past, it's shaping Kanchipuram's future. Today, future-ready industries in Kanchipuram are embracing sustainability while continuing their legacy of excellence. One such example is Nash Industries, a global leader in precision manufacturing known for its commitment to innovation and sustainable growth. With a strong presence in the US, Japan, and Europe, Nash is a trusted name in design, fabrication, and research. Their cutting-edge manufacturing facilities maintain the highest standards of quality, but their next big step, powering this excellence with clean energy.
We are dealing with many of the MNC customers, be it Europe customers or US customers, where they have steep targets of carbon neutral and carbon footprint wise. Not only for them, it is for the vendors, which is Nash being one of the critical vendor. So they push us for to achieve these goals. We have a steep target. We want to be carbon neutral by 2050. And also short term, 2 to 3 years, we want to have almost like improvement of 15%. So these two are very big targets. And out of this, the Chennai project, which we are aiming for the solar, is one of the big milestones, especially for the shorter term. So considering that the completion of solar project on time and giving proper solar power is a big milestone for us, and we are happy that it is completed. We got all the approvals and we started running on time, which is we are happy with that.
The decision to switch to clean energy was an easy one for Nash, but the execution, that's where things got complicated. Where do you start? How do you choose the right vendors? And what about government approvals? The Nash team found themselves facing a maze of questions, each one more overwhelming than the last. That's where SafEarth stepped in.
Actually, when we been asked by our management to go for this solar project in Chennai plant, we were very new in this field as a buyer, and me and my team were not sure about how to go about this. Then Bindu sir introduced us with SafEarth, and I still remember the first meeting we had with you, and you somehow got us relaxed. Relaxed in a two-part. Major is the criticality of selecting the vendor, and then when you select the vendor, what all you have to put to have a best benefits. And the thing which I am very sure nobody else would have told us, the criticality of getting the approvals in Chennai part, and based on that, who are all good and who all are not good, the vendors I am talking about. So on that front, yes, we have been helped there. Technical know-how and the path to start from the tendering till to the completion of the project, the way the process has been explained to us, we found SafEarth quite good.
From planning to execution, SafEarth helped Team Nash navigate every stage of their solar transition.
Honestly speaking, we didn't know anything about solar. Apart from knowing like some panels will be placed, it will generate power and it will be compensated in terms of our power buying. When we first met you, we were at zero level where we didn't know anything about solar. The way you came to us and explained the process, like what are the parameters involved, what are the key factors which have to be considered while finalizing the prices. It was really great. Like it was like educating us. It was really very good process, and we are very thankful to especially Narun, who came to us and explained so many things to us.
This partnership led to a game-changing transformation at Nash's Kanchipuram facility, a 700 kilowatt rooftop solar plant. Every year, this plant generates 1,48,600 kilowatts of clean energy, reducing electricity costs for Nash by 83 lakhs and offsetting 1,327 tons of carbon emissions. With this initiative, Nash is proving that business growth and environmental responsibility can go hand in hand, just as Kanchipuram has shown for centuries.
The IRR, it is more than 25%, which is very clear and good parameter. And the next one is the payback. Generally the payback should be shorter so that it will be good to minimize the risks. So in this case it is very close to 3.5 years. Again, a good parameter. So considering financial goals are achieved.
For Nash, the impact isn't just about sustainability, it's also about smart business. Over the next 25 years, this solar plant will continue to deliver significant cost savings while reinforcing Nash's commitment to a cleaner planet. For centuries, Kanchipuram has been a symbol of harmony between nature, craftsmanship, and economic progress. Today, Nash Industries is carrying that legacy forward, embracing clean energy, reducing its carbon footprint, and proving that sustainability isn't just a choice, it's the future of the industry. Join us in shaping a cleaner tomorrow for future generations. Switch to solar the smart way.